All right. My daughter said that we needed new mics for the YouTube channel.
We needed to use mics because we hadn't been.
Yeah, we didn't have any mics. So I seen a small set that was very small. So we got the Lark M2s, and let's unbox them. I have fingernails like you.
Opening new stuff is so fun.
I know. All right, looks like a packet of stuff.
Probably your instructions.
There's the main box.
So this will charge it as well. So it's basically, it's kind of like what
Boom.
what AirPods will do.
And this is for like a camera. It's got a 3.5 millimeter and a USB-C on there. And then there's the two mics.
And these are magnet.
Yeah, they got magnets on the back. So awesome. Look at that. Small. Look how small that is. I didn't think they was going to be that small. Now, ooh, that's the lightning cable. That's for our phone.
So it goes on the bottom of the phone and then
it
connects.
looks like that'll fit inside there. And shut. That's awesome. I was worried about that. And we have the C.
So for your Apple and Android, right?
Yep.
And then your light bar here, which will tell you
Your battery.
how much charge is in the battery.
Don't eat that.
Don't need that. We don't need that.
All right, they got a nice
Wow.
little bag in the
Look
bottom.
at that bag.
It's so nice.
That's fancy.
Now, let's look in here. Let's just dump it out. Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of accessories.
So okay, this is for wind.
Oh, okay.
You put over it.
Nice.
These are clip
So you get
magnets.
two of the wind guard things.
And then you get, there should be some necklaces. Yeah, that's the necklaces.
So you can wear it as a necklace.
That is awesome. And this is for the camera, if you put it on a camera. And then these are clips. I can't even get that open yet. Let's see what's in the packet. Oh, wow.
Here's your charging cord for the device.
Yeah. We are here for you. And I can already see they have stickers in here. That's so awesome. So, see everything that comes with it. Packing list. Then you have your manual, quick guide manual. And
All that
blah,
junk.
blah, blah. And look at this.
So you can customize your
The
mic.
most important part is stickers. Look at all these stickers. And I want to see if we can do best ever reviews on like a black sticker like that. That would be so awesome. But these are supposed to be reusable or something, I think. I don't know how many times you can reuse them, but that's so cool. You don't have to see their logo.
Yeah, you can just...
Which, that's not bad. It looks pretty good. Okay, we are going to do an initial review, like, and just try them out and just see how they sound compared to that. So we'll put them on and get right back to you. Okay, we got the mics in now, and we want to, you can say if that was any better or not, but these will actually clip onto anything.
We actually have the mics on, and it's really easy to hook them up. You just press the button and hold it down on the mic.
Yeah, for a
And
couple
then
seconds or
when
3
you
seconds.
have the part hooked up to the phone, Once they're connected, you'll see a solid blue light and you'll know you're good to go. So there's for the
wind. We already seen that. And the you okay, Sashi? And then these are necklaces. So you could just slip them right over your neck and you wouldn't have to worry about them coming off. So that's kind of awesome if you want to show them on my... And I'm going to go down the hall here, or I'm going to go over here.
Okay.
And maybe you can look at Sashi here. And how do I sound? Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. We ought to put one on her collar. Wouldn't that be good? So I'm way down here, out of sight of the camera. And I'm back. So hopefully this makes better videos. And if you want to get a set, we'll leave, you know, what we usually do, where we got them, how much it was. And these are fairly reasonable, and they are small.
They're not waterproof though.
Yeah, that's something
You'll have to be careful, but really you shouldn't be anywhere near electronics and water anyway. So.
Well, I mean, I would like to have them waterproof. Maybe the next batch will be waterproof, so we'll see. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Click that bell to get notified.
Yeah.
We'll catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.